A new company will take over the 108 emergency ambulance services within 2 weeks' time. Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh said on Wednesday amid controversy surrounding the tendering process. The minister, who had earlier the day met with the 108 service employees, expressed satisfaction that 7 firms had entered the bidding process for the first time and reaffirmed the government's commitment to protecting the rights of the workers. She disclosed that all the companies submitting their bid were asked to present a detailed strategy for the 108 employees. This plan comprises of a number of insurances that were guaranteed by all bidders, including health, ex gratia and accident coverage.
The government is trying its level best to ensure that rights of our 108 workers are protected. So, as was the plan, I had promised them in the previous meetings that once the bid was getting progressed, I would brief them on what is it that we have in mind, or what is the plan of action we have in mind to protect the interest of 108 workers.